In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a glitch effect in Canva. It looks very nice and it works. This works for, let's say, for like, it's important to add this glitch for a design that really aligns or complements the style of this effect or this style. And we can see here if I write this, so 1 second. So if I write here glitch, this works great for these types of effects. That's where I was looking, like cyberpunk kind of effects. So I'm just gonna add this one here. Think this look great, and we have here a new effect. We can see how this was created. But if you want to add a new text, so I'm just gonna add a new text. So let's add a new text here. Glitch text effect. Gonna write here, this is just the image, and gonna add this here. You can see what font was used here, by the way. If you're curious about this font, you see if I select this now, it shows me this font. So if I write here in this font, I write glitch, I'm gonna get this glitch effect, which look nice. If that's what you're looking for, there we go. I hope you find this helpful, or this one. But you can even extend this even more. So you can go also in effects here and grab this one, glitch effect. So this looks now even more interesting, and we can test with this one, or this one. Yeah, this is pretty cool actually. And it's, yeah, this helpful font, this glitch font looks pretty nice. And curious to see how it looks like if I'm increasing the size of this text. Okay, yeah. Or another thing that you can do, the way it was applied to this font, is to actually add a new one, and then you can increase the intensity or decrease. Increase, it looks much better. So yeah, this is quite interesting and looks quite nice, and it makes really a difference, grabs for attention. If you're going for this kind of cyberpunk effect, and you have here some inspiration, or you need some elements, you can also write glitch here in Canva if you're looking for these types of effects. Okay, this one, I see it looks nice. You can replace background with this one, just decrease the transparent because it's too bright, decrease the brightness, sorry, that's what I meant to do. And here now, as I said, we can look for more glitch effects. There are so many here, and it's amazing how many of these glitch effects are. And for this types of effect, for this type of design, it goes well with these types of elements. Doesn't really complement this design here, but anyways, at least we tried. This one, maybe add a picture, then you can highlight this and move this and just decrease the spacing here. So now you have this, and you can here you can add a profile picture. This one, not bad. A lot of them look, so many look very nice. This one, don't need this one. Can add a distorted one. So nice, so nice. A glitch text, something related to text. Can even add this one here, but again, we have a lot of effects, a lot of elements, but the key here that'll make a design look good is the way you combine all the elements and what kind of hierarchy you create with them, so it'll grab people attention. We also have a pictures, of course, and they're great for adding a background, such as this one. Replace, actually looks good even if we have this bright background. Okay, so we have a lot of elements to choose from. I know I repeated myself, but it's simply true. We just need to find the right effects, right element for what we're looking for. But that supposedly you already know what you're looking for, because you're just not looking randomly for an element for a video. Aligns, you also have suggestions, as you can see there. Glitch, effects, glitch effects. Let's look for more. You can add this glitch effect. Maybe you want to add a picture, so you can add the profile. Okay, you have the face, and then what you can do is now we can look for a frame, circle frame like this one, move this here, and that's fine, and move down this here and send back. And actually we can increase this kind of like this. And now what you can do is, maybe if you want to add this glitch look effect, we also have here, we have effect to add to our image. So we can also look for apps. Yeah, but there used to be here an effect to add a glitch effect. I think in the old one there was one. Just remember there was one. Yeah, this one, slice, actually was called sliced. And yeah, you can add this to your work if you like to try. Maybe now you add this, and then you add this on top, and we move this right in front. And yeah, now this looks good, but I wouldn't, you know, add this and this, because kind of like they're the same. So we need something that will balance the image. That's why I just showed you that you can, but I wouldn't add any of this sliced. And I think was this one, which one was? Anyways, you can also go back. Okay, now it looks good. We have our effect. Thanks for watching.